Ebin mousse. It's an Ebin red spray. A brush. So you want to section out the parts. I already did, but I feel like this method is a little bit more better to do. Make sure it's on there. Good because it's crumpled down and it's holding. That's how you want it. Okay, so right here, I had kind of messed up. I supposed to have re-brushed it and put the mousse and Ebin spray on after, but I just messed up right here. So don't do like me. Brush it first, then put the mousse on it and Ebin spray, and then you crimple it. Somebody professional will come on my page and they will probably get on me for that. And it already looked crimpled because I had just crimpled it, but it wasn't staying. So just redo it if it don't stay. You even see the little piece hanging out right there where I try to keep forming it back together, but it formed back, but it just wasn't doing it for me, so I still recrimpled it. So the reason why that I didn't use a lot of mousse and Ebin spray was because I didn't want it to mess up the hair, but in this instance, when you're doing crimples, as I didn't know before, it's okay to do that and it won't mess up the hair because all you have to do is rewash the hair once you take out this specific style. So funny to me though, because I was literally just wasting time trying to crimple this hair. I mean, it was looking like it was coming together, but it wasn't. brush it right. So then you can at least attach it better. See how it's a little bit falling off right there on the end right here. Because I didn't brush it right. Make sure it's locked in. I'm not professional. I just trying a new technique, but I think that this will work better. Yeah, it's layered. Perfect. It'll be my first time. Your girl did good. This wig is a 26 body wave wig. I recommend body wave to do crimps with, because the straightening, it don't be as good. See? That's so good. And then we're doing the last section, which is the important part. We want to make sure that this is brushed down. Lock it in. I gotta do this one out, so I'm finish it up. And this back. This back. Looking good. Okay, so all done. Came out really, really good. I was not expecting it to be that good. Like, I was so proud of myself because I'm starting the new year off and I'm doing my own hair now. I don't care if it's not professional or if it's not fixed right. Your girl's going to get it done. So, yeah, thank you for watching. And this was a wonderful install and style.